Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on this episode of the Scran Line, well, we're not doing a recipe, we're having a family meeting because I have got something super exciting to announce. So you may have realized that in the last couple of weeks, the uploads and the videos have kind of slowed down a little bit and they've become a little bit irregular, let's say. That is because I have been working on something super special for you guys, which I'm launching on this channel starting tomorrow, but I wanted to come on and explain a little bit about what it is about. So, a couple of weeks ago, I asked you guys to give yourselves or this community a name, and there was a lot of wonderful suggestions, a lot of really bad, well, I don't want to say bad, but they weren't my favorite suggestions. But what happened was I ended up choosing a name that I don't think anyone suggested. So I've decided that we're gonna go with Sugar Rebels. Now the idea behind Sugar Rebels is that we're not pro-sugar. That's not what Sugar Rebels means. It is kind of like thinking outside the box and doing something that's different from everyone else. So we're kind of rebelling against making the same looking cakes and being a little bit more creative and using what inspires us to be creative in the kitchen. So that is why I've called you guys Sugar Rebels, because that is what this channel has attracted, a group of wonderful creative people. Now this new series is called Sugar Rebels because it is about you guys. So I get lots and lots of questions from you guys about all of the recipes I make, lots of questions about why I do certain things the way that I do them. This new series is aimed to go a little bit more in depth and answer all of your questions, to be in the kitchen the entire time and cook with you guys. And just, I think it's something new for me. It's a little bit more fun, a little bit more challenging to do. I've been working really, really hard on these new videos, so I hope you guys love them. Now, just very, very quickly, as someone who creates content online, but as someone who watches a ton of it, when I watch a YouTube channel make changes on their YouTube channel, and it's different from what I'm used to seeing, I know that that can kind of turn people off and it can make them think, oh no, they're gonna stop making the content that I love. These videos are gonna be different. They're gonna be different from me coming in, introducing the video, and then you guys just seeing my beautiful feminine hands make beautiful cakes. We're gonna be cooking a little bit, we're gonna be cooking together. It's gonna be a little bit more personal, a little bit more in depth. So I understand they're gonna be different. I encourage you guys to just watch them and make your judgments on whether you like them or not after you've seen a couple of them, and let me know what your feedback is, because I definitely want to know if there's more of something you guys want to see, or if there's something that I can kind of change up so that you guys are seeing more of what you want to see, because after all, the Sugar Rebel videos are going to be about Sugar Rebels. So I hope you guys are excited as much as what I am. The new videos start tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll see you guys on the next episode of the Scran Line and the new Sugar Rebel series. See ya.